We are going to pickle green papaya today. This is a Filipino pickle. It's called Achara, and I want to show you how to do it. It is a treat. I want you to get a really green papaya for this, okay? What I did is cut it in half, seeded, and julienne part of it in this bowl. You make as much of this as you want. Please don't fixate on the quantity, okay? I just want to show you how to do it. So I'm going to sprinkle this with about a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. We're going to let this rest about 15 minutes so the excess moisture just comes out, okay? All right, our papaya has been sitting in the salt. You can see it's glistening. Now I want you to rinse it and strain it and come back. All right, we're going to start layering our vegetables and fruit for our pickle. I'm going to put some of the papaya at the bottom. A little bit of red onion that's finely sliced. Some carrot, julienne also. Finely sliced garlic. And I'm adding red chili, so I'm going to put half of the red chili in here. That's optional. I have a cup of rice wine vinegar in here with half a cup of water. If you don't have rice vinegar, go ahead and use white. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt. And a teaspoon of black peppercorns and a bay leaf. We're going to mix this until the sugar and the salt dissolve. We'll let it come to a boil and then we'll turn it off. All right, we're just going to pour our vinegar into our jar. Just press it down so it is under liquid, okay? Okay, we're gonna let this cool down completely, cover it, and refrigerate it until tomorrow. This will go great on grilled meats, fish, chicken, pork. It's very nice. Plus, it's pretty healthy. Oh. That papaya has retained its crunch. It's got the spice, obviously, from the chili. This is really nice, guys. The recipe will be underneath the video, as always, with a link for you to print on my website. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you soon.